Welcome to Farmonics, your one-stop solution for all your grocery needs. Let's us know about one of our product that is pumpkin seeds. Welcome to Farmonics, your source for premium pumpkin seeds. Here are some benefits of Farmonics pumpkin seeds that it include being a nutrient-rich powerhouse, immune support, mood and sleep regulation, aiding in weight management, promoting heart health, and maintaining bone health. Why choose Farmonics pumpkin seeds? Because of their sustainability, 100% natural composition, no preservatives, packaged with care and gluten-free nature. Here are some of the ways in which you can enjoy Farmonics pumpkin seeds by trying out various recipes such as roasted, spicy, garlic parmesan, honey sriracha, and cinnamon sugar flavored pumpkin seeds.
You can also try Farmonics' other products too, like premium quality dry fruits, unpolished pulses, unadulterated spices, seeds and nuts. We are also available on Amazon, Flipkart and JioMart. You can contact us through email and WhatsApp. You can also place order from our website www.farmonics.co.in. Link is also provided in the description.